It's William with the Riverstone Life. Yes, William's back in the studio. What am I going to show you today? I'm going to show you an e-bike rack. So if you were just out there recently watching my review on my e-bike, well, Young Electric reached out to me and said, hey William, do you need a rack to haul that bike around? I thought for a second, yeah, I do need a rack to haul that bike around. So they sent this out. They did not pay us for this review. They did send us the product for free. I had them send me their 300-pound, the big boy basically. It'll hold 2 e-bikes up to 150 pounds each. It does come with a ramp. It will work on a 2-inch receiver, so you can put this on your truck, your car, your sport utility vehicle, or even the Riverstone. It will fit behind the Riverstone and haul our e-bikes. Very safe. I don't have to worry about anything. The construction on this is awesome. I've done my research before I even let them send me this product, so we're going to get it unboxed for you. We're going to show you what it looks like here, right here in the studio. Then we're going to go and get it hooked up on the truck, and we will show it all together on the back of the truck and let you make your own decision on this product. I'm feeling pretty excited about it. I think they make good products, and they were a pleasure to work with. So let's get this thing unboxed. Well, we got it all put together. It took about 30 minutes, I would say, to put it together. It does not come with any wrenches. You will need your own wrenches. It does come with a lock, and it's actually it threads, so that's cool. And then it has the key that comes with it, so you can lock it to the back of your vehicle, so that's nice. Everything on this is just, you just feel premium when you touch it. It's just, everything is premium to the touch. You have to mount these 4 bolts right here to put the wheel piece on there. So you have to put that on there. And then you have 2 bolts that mount it to the tube right there. And then you have to mount the tube bolt right here, the single bolt. And then you have the little pin so you can tilt it up and down. And then you have to add the little holders that hold the bike. So it's not a lot to do. And then when you come around to the back, let's come around to the back here. So you have to do it on this one too. You have 4 bolts on this one, and then you have the 2 bolts to put there. Then you've got your ramp. This is your ramp right here. And it has this little pin, so you can just pop it right off, take it out, drop it in, and it will actually drops right down in the grooves right here, right there. So let's just get it hooked to the vehicle and show you what we got. But I'm very impressed. Instruction-wise are awesome. They did not fall short on there. They give you all the little things that you need to follow through, especially when you're mounting this piece right here. It has a stopper, so you'll slide it all the way back until it hits the stopper, and then you're fine to tighten it all down. So let's get it hooked behind the truck and show you what we got. Is this thing nice or what? Everything will be down in the description below if you're looking for something like this. And like we always say,